Collectively, we are breaking through shadow energies and taking back our color. No longer is everything about right or wrong, black or white, none or all. Infusion is defined to inspire or fill with certain quality, the act of adding one thing to another to make it stronger or better. As we contemplate color infusion, we're speaking in the simplest form of essence, in particular, how we want to show up. How we do one thing is how we do all things. They say it takes 90 days to create new habits, which result in new actions, new pathways, which lead to new places and experiences. Reality shift, alignment, inspired grace, no doubts, balanced thoughts, oneness supreme, wonder awaits, ever expanding.